It's another beautiful, gorgeous day out here in Arizona. And where are we? We are just north of Surprise, Arizona, in a city. It's called Wittmann, Arizona. The subdivision, how about Trail of Light? And our builder is called Cortland Homes. And if you're wanting RV garage home on a really, really, really large lot, then you definitely want to stick around for this. Let me just show you right over here. There is your RV gate right over here. You have this big, huge front yard, and it goes all the way over there. And then the backyard is ginormous. We are sitting on just under an acre lot. It's peaceful out here. It's quiet out here. It is absolutely nice. Let me tell you a little bit about the house. That might be a good idea. 2,802 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage, and an RV garage, as you can see right there. The RV garage is an extended length RV garage. How about up to 64 feet deep length? Wow, wait till you see it. Yes, I'm going to show it to you. It also has a beautiful chef kitchen, a large family room in there, and so many other wonderful things in there. I can't wait to show it to you. And again, Wittmann, Arizona, in a subdivision. It's called Trail of Light. Your builder is called Cortland Homes, and of course, your realtor, me, Mary K. Marino. I would be honored to work for you. But before we go in here and in the backyard and everything in between, remember, leave me a comment below. And now let's go. Alrighty now, so here's a nice picture of the whole front yard. Very, very big. I'll zoom in for you. There you go. Beautiful home. Back out. And I'll give you a nice picture or a view down the street. And then scanning back to the house right here. And then I'm going to walk you up to the front, and I want to show you that's down the other side. And then you also get this other driveway going into your RV gate into your massively large backyard. And of course you have this beautiful pavered driveway right here. Very, very nice. So let's go ahead and bring you on in. It does say come on in, so let's go ahead and bring you on in. And yes, I will take you into that nice large RV garage. The RV is in there, so but it'll give you an idea. It says come on in, so let's go ahead and go on in. Alrighty now. So as I stand right here in front of the front door, nice long look into the hallway. We're going to take a few steps up, turn to the left, horseshoe all the way around. This is going to be the first guest bedroom. Guest bedroom number 1 right here. 2 nice windows out to the front. And another nice window out to the side. And then right around the corner here, so you're going to have a nice walk-in closet. Turn the light on. I forgot to turn the light on for you. I do apologize. And then also a nice place for whatever else you may want to stack up in there. And then backing out. Not a bad size room. Then backing out of the room completely. And then next to that's going to be the shared bathroom. Hello! Nice window up there. And then right over here is going to be your linen closet. I'll show you that. And I'll go all the way up. Wow, they went all the way up to the top. Fantastic. Tub and shower combination there. And then backing up again. And then directly across the hallway is going to be guest bedroom number 2. Nice window out to the side of the house. Slider door closets right there. And then backing up, I'm going to give you a recap already. I know we just began, but I'm going to give you a recap. So here's the front entryway into the front door. Very nice entryway. You have those 2 nice windows on both sides of the door. And then down over here around the corner, guest bedroom 1, shared bathroom, and then guest bedroom number 2. So we're going to come back to the center of the hallway. We're going to walk down a few steps, and this is going to be your coat closet. Let me open that for you. There you go. And then backing up again. Now we're going to turn. This is going to be another space. You can put whatever you want, piece of furniture here. Right there is going to be your garage door entrance. Walking a little further. This is going to be your favorite room. La da 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 da. It has a shelf. If you decide, you know what, you don't want a shelf, you'd rather have cabinets, that's okay, because all you have to do is let me know. I'll give you recommendations and referrals where you can get that. And then right over here, you have a lot of storage space over here. This is not your pantry. You can use this like storage, like I mentioned, or maybe a Costco drop off. You're coming back home from Costco, you need more space to put all your load in there, and you have plenty of room right here. So as we exit out of your favorite room, I'm going to take you into the garage before I forget. And this is going to be large. Let me show it to you. So we have a 2-car garage right here. And then here's going to be your 3rd car bay. It's a tandem right down there. The lifts do not come with it. Let me give you another angle right here. So this is the 2-car garage, and then your 3rd is going to be down there. And then right over here is where the RV is, and the RV doesn't come with it either, folks. But let me tell you, this is a huge RV. I'm going to walk you all the way down here to the very end and show you how much space you have even after the RV here. Look at this. All the space. There's your hot water tank. You have your soft water right there, and then another sink as well. And then you also have some nice windows above right there as well. But look at all the space even after the RV. So let's go ahead and walk you back up. Look at, this is a really, really long RV garage. And as I mentioned earlier, it's 64 feet deep and it's 16 feet high. So plenty of room no matter what you want to use it for. I have a lot of clients who buy RV garage homes and they don't necessarily use it for an RV. They have classic cars, they have their outdoor toys in there. So whatever it is you have and you need to park in here, you have plenty of room to do that. So let's go ahead and bring you back in. And again, this is going to be your drop-off area from coming into the garage. You put a nice piece of furniture here, or if you really, oops, I just hit the door stopper. If you really want to put cabinets there, like I said, all you have to do is let me know. I have recommendations and referrals if that's something that you would like to do. It would look really, really nice here. So backing up, we're going to walk on down. And now this is going to bring us into the main part of the house, the kitchen, the dining, and the family room. Go ahead and enjoy. So let's go ahead and bring you back into this beautiful kitchen. It is a chef gourmet kitchen. It has a wall microwave, a wall oven, stainless steel refrigerator. And look at this beautiful island. Right here, let me show it to you right there. Nice, it's long, it's wide. Comfortably, you would be able to fit easily 4. You could even put 5 in. You know, another thing I wanted to show it to you, well, many islands don't have underneath here. Let me show you. You have cupboard space even there too. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra places to put things in there. So not only do you have all the cabinets in the kitchen, you also have 5 of them underneath the island, and they are soft close cabinets. Very, very nice. I'll give you up close personal here into the kitchen. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. I'm going to back up here a little bit. I want to show you the pantry. And it goes all the way up to the top. You don't need another shelf in this one. You have plenty of room. Give you another look of that kitchen. Very, very nice. And if I'm standing in the middle of the island here, this is the look into your dining room and into your family room area. Look how large, look how spacious and open. And it also has plantation shutters throughout the whole house. Very, very nice. Let me zoom in for you. And I'll back out. There you go. And this home is built in 2023, so practically brand new, not lived in very long at all. And if you want information on it, call, text, or email me. This is a beautiful RV garage home. So we're going to go past this, and this is going to be guest bedroom number 3 here. Nice big window to the side. And then we have slider door closets right over there. Very nice size room as well. A lot of natural light coming into this house, that's for sure. I'm going to back up and I want to show you this. That's your hallway down there, all the way down to the end. That's your front door. The 2 nice windows by the front door. Gorgeous. Lots of natural light. It's big house, big lot. What do you think of this so far? Then as we walk through this, we're going to turn to the left, and right over here is another full bathroom. It's for that 3rd bedroom. Right here, there's the walk-in shower. And then right around the door right here is going to be your toilet. And then back. Now let me turn around and give you a look at the vanity. Hello! And I'll go all the way up. There you go. Then as we exit, again, here brings you right into the family room area. There's the kitchen. If I take a step back, now we're going to go into the primary bedroom. Walking in here, and look how big this room is. This is huge. You have a beautiful view out to the backyard. And again, plantation shutters. Very, very, very nice. Come back over here, give you another angle. And then you have another window out to your back patio as well. And again, this is a relatively new home. It was built in 2023, hardly lived in at all. Let me give you a look of the backyard. We're going to go out there, don't worry. Look how big that lot is. Huge. And it's a screaming deal of a price, so give me a call if you're interested in it. So as we exit, again, here is the bathroom. Look at this. Very spacious. Plenty of room in between the sinks. Party shower. There you go. Nice window above to the outside. And then right over here is going to be your walk-in closet. 2 nice windows above. Let me come into the other side. High-low bars over there, and then another place there. And then also places for shoes, purses, and whatever else you need. Very nice size closet right here. And then as we exit, I'll give you another look at the vanity. And let me give you another shot here. How much space and room you have there. And there's your shower again. If I turn to the right, this is going to be where your toilet is, and water closet actually is what I say. There you go. And then I'll give you another look at that vanity as I shut the door. Oh, hello. I hope you're having a marvelous day. And again, we are just north of Surprise in a city called Wittmann. And as we exit, it brings us right back into the kitchen, the family room, and the dining room. What do you think of this one so far? Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear and read about what you're thinking. And of course, the cabinets are the 42-inch cabinets. Those aren't those little itty-bitty cabinets. Very, very, very nice. And as I said, this is a screaming deal of a price. If you want to know the price, text me and I will give it to you. Call me and I will give it to you. Alrighty now, so I want to take you out to the backyard. And the backyard is large. So, but what I want to show you first before we go out, the plantation shutters here. Watch, I want to show you. They slide. I've never seen this before. See? They slide all the way down. And I'll back up so you can see it. Isn't that cool? Okay, so now we're going to go open the slider door. Oh, I just locked it. And then the screen. Okay, now we're in the back patio. And this is the yard. Now, is that a large lot or not? What? 41,245 square feet. You can hear the dog barking. I'm gonna go all the way out here, and I want to show you the space on the sides of the yard as well. So look at all that space right here. I'm gonna zoom you all the way out here. Unbelievable how much space you have back here in this backyard. That's the look of the house. Trying to get it so that the glare of the sun is not getting in your eyes, my eyes. And then right over here is where your RV gate is. And this is where, if you want to pull in your RV, your boats, whatever it is your toys are, if you run out of room in your big RV garage. Look at all this space back here. I'll even zoom in. Hang on a minute. There you go. I'll zoom in a little more. There you go. I had to zoom in twice just to get an idea of what it looked like for you. Back out a little bit. There you go. And I'll back out for real. This is what it really looks like right there. And a glance to the patio. And I'm going to just kind of circle around so you can see the yard. If you want a large lot, an RV garage home, someplace where it's nice and peaceful and quiet, you definitely want to consider this. You don't have to pay a new build price. You can get it at a really great price. Built in 2023, hardly ever been lived in great shape. Call, text, or email me. Let's have a conversation. Call me. Okay, going back in. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful home. What are you thinking? If you like this home, give me a call. If it's not quite the home for you and you're interested in an RV home, text me the word RV and I'll get you a list of other RV homes in the area if that's something you're interested in. But let me know down in the comments what you're thinking. So what'd you think of this beautiful home on this massively large lot? And like I told you at the very beginning, it's very peaceful and it's very, very quiet out here. And again, we are in Wittmann, Arizona. It's located just north of Surprise, and the subdivision is called Trail of Light, and our builder is Cortland Homes. As I mentioned earlier, the lot is just a smidgen under an acre, 41,245 square feet. That is a really, really large lot. The recap on this home is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 3-car garage, along with the RV garage, which you already know, and it's extended 64 feet deep, which is huge. And again, we are in Wittmann, Arizona, just north of Surprise, in a subdivision called Trail of Light. And in case you forgot who I am, or maybe you don't know who I am, my name is Mary K. Marino, and welcome to Hello Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you, looking for help to make a move to Arizona, and we absolutely love it. So whether you live in-state, out-of-state, or even out of the country, that is perfectly fine with us, because we are actually here to help serve and support you at the highest level possible. And as far as your time frame, days, minutes, weeks, or even years, that's okay, because we're here to make sure your transition and your transaction is smooth and enjoyable all the way across that finish line to home ownership here in Arizona. So don't be bashful and don't be shy. Make sure you reach out to us. And like I always say, until I see you around town next time, show you around town next time, you have a marvelous, awesome, incredible day. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.